Your SAP ECC system likely supports your business needs today. But will it support future business growth? Or help you respond to change? The good news is that HCL can convert your existing ECC system to S/4HANA and optimize it for the future. How do we do this? Introducing HCL's Factory Plus. A conversion using HCL's Factory Plus will be the most cost-effective and lowest-risk way to move to S/4HANA. HCL's Factory Plus allows you to protect your ECC investments, retain the code you need, retire what you don't, and drive down TCO. Retain your existing datasets, while benefiting from new reporting and analytics capabilities. Manage business change. You choose when to move to modernized Fiori user experiences. Leverage new technologies to innovate and drive incremental value. The key building blocks of HCL's Factory Plus are simplification experts, automated code remediation, automated regression testing, automated data transformation. To keep things simple and affordable, we offer fixed scope packages with t-shirt sized pricing. These can also be tailored to your system's landscape and organization's needs, for example, with additional services including prerequisite upgrades, right-sizing, cloud infrastructure provisioning or integration with other applications. The result? A low-risk, S/4HANA move that quickly delivers the foundation for agile business transformation. Learn more at sap@hcl.com.